Hello. Today I'd like to talk about the tint chart, the second project in the color class. Now this project is to get us used to the act of painting. And as you can see, there's only 6 colors here, and those would represent the 6 colors that you purchased in acrylic tubes for the class. We're mixing pretty much all of the colors that we need to mix in this class from these 6 colors. So this is on 14 by 17 Bristol board. There is a 1 1/4 inch border on the left side, a 3/4 inch border on the top. Each of these squares, rectangles, are 2 1/4 by 2 inches. There's 1/2 inch space between each, horizontally, and there's 1/4 inch vertically between each of these. Okay, so there's 6 across and 5 down. Now, what I would like for you to do is take the colors that you have in your tubes: yellow, red, violet, cobalt blue, permanent green, and black. Put them across the top of this chart in full strength. Make sure it's nice and smooth and even and flat. And then we'll start tinting those so we get a sense as to what happens to these colors when we add white. So a little bit of white, a little bit more white, and mostly white plus a little bit of color will do our 3-stage tint on each of these colors. Now, for the shade, the bottom row, we'll take that color, add black to it. In, let's say the proportions should probably be about 80% of the color and 20% black. And as you can see when we get down, or maybe you can't see, you will see it when you do it. The darker yellow becomes a very dark, kind of ugly green, but I still like it. When we add black to the red, it becomes kind of a dark brown, etc., etc. So anyway, this would be a tint, adding white, shade of the tubes that we have exactly for the class. So this gets us used to measuring out a chart like this with the ruler and measuring techniques, and then applying the paint in a nice, flat, even, smooth tone, and then adding white to these, and then go ahead and adding black to the original colors. And this will give us both a range of colors and values, and it gets us used to mixing color, both how much paint do I need to squeeze out of the tube, how do I apply it, how do I get it from the palette to the paper, and it teaches us how to use the brush. Anyway, good luck on that. We'll see you next time.